Have you been struggling with excessive hair fall, scalp flaking, or itching due to psoriasis? If yes, you are not alone. Scalp psoriasis is a chronic condition that causes red, scaly patches on the scalp, and this not only affects your confidence but also leads to severe hair thinning if not managed properly. But the good news is psoriasis related hair fall is not permanent. With the right natural care and scalp routine, you can control flakes, calm inflammation, and boost new hair growth again. So in today's video, I am going to share 5 proven and science-backed tips to stop hair fall and psoriasis naturally, and also explain how these tips heal your scalp without any side effects. See, hair fall in psoriasis is very common. It is not usually due to disease damaging your hair roots. It happens mainly because of inflammation, constant scratching, and scalp scaling. See, psoriasis leads to chronic inflammation in the scalp skin. This weakens the hair follicles and makes them more prone to breakage. Scratching and scaling loosen hair strands and damage follicles. Another reason could be nutritional deficiencies and stress. Your diet may be low in vitamin D, zinc, and biotin, and stress can trigger both psoriasis and hair fall. Chemicals, steroid, and harsh shampoo can also contribute to hair fall. The best approach is not just to treat symptoms, but to heal the scalp barrier, reduce inflammation, and restore nourishment to hair roots. So let's move to 5 proven tips to stop hair fall and psoriasis naturally. The first and most crucial step is to soothe the scalp. Inflammation is what triggers itching, flaking, and hair fall. You can calm it down using natural anti-inflammatory ingredients like aloe vera gel, coconut oil, infused with neem leaves and rosemary oil. Gently warm the oil and massage your scalp twice a week. This not only reduces the scaling but also improves blood flow to hair follicles, supporting regrowth. People with psoriasis often make the mistake of using harsh anti-dandruff shampoos that contain sulfates, alcohol, steroids, or coal tar. These strip away natural oils and make the scalp even drier. Instead, you can choose a mild herbal or homeopathic shampoo that contains aloe vera, tea tree oil, neem, and Eclipta alba. These ingredients clean the scalp gently without triggering irritation. You can wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week with lukewarm water, not hot, as heat worsens dryness and itching. Psoriasis-related hair fall is not only a scalp issue. It's a nutritional and immune imbalance. Certain nutrients help your skin and strengthen hair naturally. You can add flax seeds, walnuts, chia seeds, and basil seeds for omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation. You can also include biotin, zinc, and iron to improve hair strength. And most importantly, 2 vitamins you must consume are vitamin D and vitamin E to heal scalp lesions and regulate immune function. Also drink plenty of water and avoid junk, processed, or spicy food as they can trigger flare-ups. See, a healthy gut and balanced liver function are directly linked to healthy scalp. So you can consume fresh vegetables, leafy greens, and fruits for more fiber and antioxidants. The fourth tip is to apply a homemade serum. You can prepare a homemade serum that's both safe and effective for psoriasis-prone scalp. Take a pan, add 200 ml of water, and add 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon black seeds, and a handful of rosemary petals. Boil until half the water remains, then cool it down. Add 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it on your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Leave for a few hours or overnight and rinse with a mild shampoo. Did you know that stress is one of the biggest triggers of psoriasis flare-ups and hair fall? When you are stressed, your immune system becomes overactive and releases inflammatory chemicals that worsen psoriasis. That's why mind-body balance is essential. You can try meditation or deep breathing for 10 minutes. yogasana like Shavasana and Anulom Vilom, and adequate 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to combat stress. These practices lower cortisol levels, promote scalp healing, and improve your overall hair growth rate. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Bharat Homeo Skin Doctor YouTube channel for more science-based natural remedies for skin and hair. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste and take care of your scalp health.